Under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, India's mission of food security for all is now moving towards nutritional security. And IIMR is strengthening this vision and mission.
साथियों, कुपोषण से निपटने के लिए एक और महत्वपूर्ण दिशा में काम हो रहा है। मोटे अनाज, मिलेट्स जैसे रागी, ज्वार, बाजरा, कोडो, जोंगोरा, बार्ली, कोटकी, इन जैसे अनाज की पैदावार बढ़े, लोग अपने भोजन में इन्हें शामिल करें, इस और प्रयास बढ़ाए जा रहे हैं। मैं आज FAO को विशेष धन्यवाद देता हूं कि उसने वर्ष 2023 को इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ मिलेट्स घोषित करके भारत के प्रस्ताव को पूरा समर्थन दिया है।
The Government of India's constant emphasis on millets has established it as the alternative cereal of the future and has developed a millets value chain to create demands for millets. India has branded millets as nutri-cereals owing to their superior nutritional merits like high protein and fiber, slow-releasing good carbs, minerals and vitamins, gluten-free. Millets also offer a huge opportunity to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals and climate security, as its production requires transforming food and land use systems. Millet stalks act as a quality forage and fodder for livestock. India produces 16% of the global millet crop. It is highly commercializable by value-added processing and diversification into various ready-to-cook and ready-to-eat forms. The country has over 500 strong millet-based startups. The food industry is building a sizable millet-based product portfolio. The Government of India has introduced conducive policies to boost millet production like crop incentivization, announcement of MSP, mainstreaming millets in public funded programs, positioning millets as nutri-cereals. 2018 declared as National Year of Millets, State Millet Missions. On a proposal sponsored by India and supported by 70 nations, the UN General Assembly declared 2023 as the International Year of Millets to position millets in global diets for tackling malnutrition and moving towards nutritional security. India is ready to lead the world by sharing best practices, technologies, and goodness of millets and established value chain experiences with other countries. India, the millet hub of the world.